Welcome back to Tech Updates, your go-to source for everything Apple related. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to cover: the Apple Watch Series 9. We'll take you through all the amazing features and improvements Apple has in store for us with their latest smartwatch. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. The Apple Watch Series 9 is here, and it brings a plethora of exciting advancements that build upon the success of its predecessors. From the design to the performance, Apple has made significant strides to enhance your overall experience. Let's start with the design and display. In terms of design, the Apple Watch Series 9 retains the iconic sleek and elegant look we all love. However, Apple has managed to make it even more refined with thinner bezels and a larger, edge-to-edge display. The vibrant and crystal-clear OLED screen will immerse you in rich colors and sharp visuals, making it a joy to use. Enhanced health and fitness features. Now, let's talk about the health and fitness features. The Apple Watch Series 9 takes your well-being to the next level. It introduces advanced health sensors that can monitor your blood oxygen levels, heart rate, and even detect irregular heart rhythms. Additionally, it brings new fitness tracking capabilities, including automatic workout detection and an improved ECG app for a more comprehensive analysis of your heart health. Performance and battery life. When it comes to performance, the Apple Watch Series 9 is a powerhouse. Powered by the latest Apple S7 chip, it delivers lightning-fast responsiveness and smooth multitasking. You can expect faster app launches, seamless navigation, and enhanced performance across the board. Plus, the Series 9 offers impressive battery life, keeping you powered throughout the day. Connectivity and compatibility. Apple understands the importance of staying connected, and the Series 9 is no exception. With built-in cellular connectivity, you can make calls, send messages, and stream music directly from your wrist, even when your iPhone isn't nearby. And of course, it seamlessly integrates with your other Apple devices, making it a perfect companion for the Apple ecosystem. Operating system and software. The Apple Watch Series 9 runs on the latest watchOS, bringing a host of exciting new features and improvements. You'll enjoy a more intuitive user interface, expanded app library, and enhanced Siri functionality. With watchOS, the possibilities are endless, allowing you to personalize your watch and make it truly your own. Now, let's talk about the price and availability. The Apple Watch Series 9 starts at Insert Starting Price, and is available for pre-order starting today. It will be released in Insert Release Date, so mark your calendars and get ready to experience the future on your wrist. Some text goes here, and there you have it, the Apple Watch Series 9. With its stunning design, advanced health features, powerful performance, and seamless connectivity, it's undoubtedly a game-changer in the world of smartwatches. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a fitness junkie, the Apple Watch Series 9 is the ultimate companion for your wrist. So, what are you waiting for? Pre-order yours now and stay ahead of the curve. Don't forget to subscribe to MacRumors for more exciting Apple news and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. This video is brought to you by Tech Updates. Make sure to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all things Apple. Thank you for watching.